Yonko Dinko Monfa Ayawasu East predictions and the fallout. Radaka, good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Apom ya dear.
Yamina Adum.
Adum ya hoye pa afisha panso.
Afin comment.
All right. Ayawasu East abatwo no emse e call na wie ye no said na o hye no eye wo hwehwe mu fae no ensi super pepe ba knowing you say abribia wo kan eye close to what you say no there pa na ugidi say ema science and sa no my course ni nyina no de na esi ankasa
yo me da
hello
Wazumu said,
okay.
Opia Mati. So, obedi.
Yera Musa, online ni mu na ho papa nti ma nensa empusu ahoma ni biem na yenhwe line we ni mu nye.
Eye kakra na.
Feed em se mu kasa na yenti.
Okay, the me patch trainer say.
Okay.
So, offer delegate on telephone so. There is a basic assumption of level playing field.
Right.
We are TNT. We are TNT. We are TNT. Young as you must see, we are TNT plus television. And our TNT plus motorbike.
Right.
Certainly, those ones now moving on election day, it will definitely have impact on how people vote. And no wonder we have seen all kind of hue and cry about Ayawasu East. I don't think we'll have an investigation and probe.
Right. And those callings say, I say, this time around, science has failed, that is not a reality.
No, actually, only use science, and I'm say that's the only way they can win.
Okay. So,
the science showed them that they are on their way to lose. So what would they do? They use the science to change the outcome by doing what they did.
Oh, okay. Wow. But formally, no dynamics in it sense and ka we no ensia na nka sen ye behu no.
Look, I'm picking from the general voters' perception. NDC for. Why not almost pay any Ayawasu East for? The poll na 61% of the NDC were backing the woman. And usually, it is really difficult to see say NDC voters ever have. Non-delegate will be different. It shows something has happened. Because NDC no delegate doing call almost all the time.
Right.
Now gap no and yet maybe a small gap 61% wide there among NDC voters. 61. So under normal circumstances, the delegates on the defect one a bit lower maybe 50s and I say middle 50s. And which was what the poll was saying initially. So it is shocking that for the first time we've seen a variation between NDC voters and their delegates.
Wow.
And lo and behold, because it was shocking, that is why we've seen people doing investigation as to what happened.
Nese near wo patch and say NDC for no more Ayawasu East no. Nipa nanka unhwehwe mu no kire se omo pe no pa eye Maame Hajia Adamson.
Yes.
And na delegates e wo NDC mu omo na yeyi omo free NDC dodo na wa Ayawasu East omo koto aba no. Wono mo nso akoto ni different.
But initially the poll were showing say they were supporting the woman in line with the general voters.
Okay, enti earlier no nanka delegates no kra nanka ombeto ama woman no, but no ma esi ye enti edema asa adwene dane.
Absolutely.
Wow. Na
television and motorbike enya sam ketua.
Ye hu videos ni bi na me kra me yemu ahye me kire se ya TTB say bi kura je dan ne cars ne ade especially constituency chairman ne secretary for so mde be ya adwuma boa candidates ne normal but we no de yenim pe cameras su ne ye che ne ye nsuro hu hwe but mama misa from now obe factor sa no ma ECCB into science ana because etimi mane dani.
Look, two things that ABA we would do. First and foremost, so on sample size, the delegate is no more than 3,000. Yeah, higher. The smaller it is, the more likely they could take money and change their vote.
Okay.
But number this one.
Okay.
The number this one, it becomes a very big, difficult task. And then, secondly, yeah, we are going to include demography about employment and income levels of delegates.
Okay.
So we can see those with the low income level, are they going to be influenced by these material things now? And we'll put more questions around materials and how they impact on the election. So we can learn a bit less as we go along.
But I was so the na ohwa delegates no omododo no yese
if I'm more to about 900 and below 950 I think.
Okay, until from now no say baby to say I was so no more to on how hon koye kra
David
unless omo bro 3,000.
Yes, when the size is big.
Okay, but Sanoma way esiwa batum I think a March evident 2024 election mu GII name anti-corruption coalitions ahodo the statement by they were calling for investigations into this neade but Uncle Sifi, in your view ade we yebetumi etu ase
but we can't throw our hands in the air we must start from somewhere and somebody must pay the price. I don't care who it is. I think we are all for it.
On March, I bet to the entire about one war Ayawasu East na all the constituents no whether MPP or NDC candidate or any other person who represent we know and also how is the view like?
No, at the time of the survey, no, NDC said Baba Jamal emerged as a winner against MPP on Metunisei. Hajia emerged as a winner against MPP on Metunisei. I think Hajia was getting around 73%.
Okay.
Against MPP 27.
Right.
And Baba Jamal was getting around 67 or 68. So Hajia was doing 5% better than Baba Jamal among the constituents.
Now, what working on the MPP candidate, potential candidate, and also?
Okay.
What working on the opponents, and also?
No, we use the opponent as a scenario against the option for NDC.
Okay.
And NDC was winning against him at all times.
Okay. And these candidates, no dear, any of them are Baba Jama and Hajiano, any of them are Nankombe Kubian and Nankobe winning against the MPP.
Yes.
Right. Era Musa Dakwa, Mame na wasiano pay for the clarity. All right. Musa Dakwa, Executive Director, Global Info Analytics. And yedena akochuchin komo about Ayawasu East Abatwono.